Today's topic is types of partnership firms. Types of partnership firm can be: first, on the basis of duration, first point है partnership at will. Such type of a partnership firm is set up at the will, इच्छा of the partners, and when the partners do not want to continue their business, then it's become an end. Second is fixed period partnership. This partnership firm is formed, is set up for a specific period of time. As we can say, a specific period means 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, or more than 7 years, etc. Such type of a firm is called fixed period partnership, and this type of firm automatically dissolve when the specified time period is over. Third is particular partnership. This type of partnership firm is set up to carry on a particular project or venture or enterprise which is known as particular partnership. Suppose that if there are two or more than two persons join and started construction of a bridge, then these person can set up a partnership firm for the construction of the bridge, and when this construction is completed, means the bridge gets completed, then such type of a firm is automatically dissolved, automatically terminated, or automatically comes to an end. Second types of partnership which be divide on the basis of liability of members. First is general partnership. This type of partnership firm in which liability of all the members, liability means जिम्मेदारी, of all the members is unlimited, and in this firm, type of firms, if the assets of the firm, assets means संपत्ति, firm की संपत्ति, is not sufficient to pay back the debts, debts, debts of creditors, then the creditors can claim over their personal property of the partners. Third is limited liability partnership. Such type of a partnership firm was first time introduced after passing the Partnership Act 2008. इसके पहले पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932 था और 2008 में नया पार्टनरशिप एक्ट बनाया गया, जिसके आधार पर लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप को सेटअप करने की मान्यता मिली। There are some features of limited partnership are that the liability of at least one partner. At least one partner means कम से कम एक पार्टनर की, must be unlimited. The partners having limited liability are called special partners or limited partners. Second, the special partner is not allowed to take part in the management of the firm, and the special partner has right to check the accounts of the firm. Next, the special partner can out his membership from the firm whenever he desires. It means if the partners wants to leave the firm, then he can leave the firm.